Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you how to change lock screen clock style. So I'm just change my clock style. So just long press in your display, tap on, then showing it to this option. You just easily change font style and color, showing it to more font style, change color, okay, and style. Okay, if you want to show weather information, just turn on, then showing it to weather information. Okay, and press on to done. So that's it.